is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am really excited today about today's video. I think it's a good one if I do say so myself. But yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys love it. If you do, be sure to drop a cheeky like down below so that I can feel the positive vibes. And of course, drop a dislike if you don't enjoy it. That's fine too. That's fine too. It's not fine. So of course you've seen the thumbnail, the little cheeky sneak preview that I thought I'd give you there. But yeah, to put you out of your misery, this is what we are going for today. Here's one I made earlier, of course, gotta be said. So granted it looks a little bit fancy today, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, and I have every faith in you. You can do it, I believe in you. Yeah, you, I believe in you. And as always, I love to see your work, so do share it on Instagram and tag me, beck.design, so I can give it a look. And of course, if you do enjoy the content, it would be brilliant if you could consider smashing that subscribe button. I have got a lot of sketchy stuff, designy stuff planned for the future, so you don't want to miss anything. So we're going to jump right into this sketch, and I'm going to start by, again, as always, aggressively showing you what we're going to be using for this video.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So there you go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the content today, so don't forget about those like and subscribe buttons right down here, and I will see you in the next one.